this assessment, you're asked to give the nitrile and the organometallic that you would use to make the molecule shown on screen. The assessment points out that there are two different ways. You're getting bonus coverage. We're showing both. I've gone ahead and numbered the carbons up here so we make sure that we don't make a mistake. And if we think about the reactions of nitriles with organometallics, we know that we'll end up with the ketone as the product. And the important thing to start with is that carbon 5 is going to be the nitrile carbon. The carbon that becomes the ketone is the nitrile carbon. So let's imagine that we're going to make the 5-6 bond first. So we've color-coded that in using the orange marker. If we're using the 5-6 bond and we know that carbon 5 is going to be the nitrile, that means carbon 6 is going to be the organometallic. Let's use a Grignard reagent, for example. So here is carbon 6, 7, 8. We don't need to number the rest, but we'll show our Grignard reagent here. And it can react with the rest of the molecule. So carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, and we said again, carbon 5 will be the nitrile carbon. Put in our double bond and make sure that we've numbered our carbons correctly. This would be 13, 6, 7, 8, 9 through 12. So step 1 is going to be to put these together, and then we'll finish this up with an acid quench where we also have water replace the resulting carbon-nitrogen double bond. We're not going to show a mechanism of that, but this organometallic plus this nitrile should give this product. Well, as I said, we're getting bonus coverage today. There's a second way. What if we wanted to make the 4-5 bond as indicated by the green line? Now our organometallic will be the 1 through 4 carbons. So we'll number 1, 2, 3, 4. So because carbon 4 is going to attack carbon 5 is still going to be our nitrile. So this will be carbon 5. We go up to carbon 6, down to 7, up to 8, put in the ring. We can again number the carbons to make sure that all of it is there. This organometallic would react with this nitrile, and then in the second step, where we do the acid quench and imine hydrolysis, we would end up with the ketone. These are the two ways that an organometallic can react with a nitrile to make the molecule on screen.